Everyone wants to get their dream job. But do you have all the skills that you need to get a dream job? Do you have the knowledge which can help you to take you towards your dream job? Hi, my name is Shadab and I'm a life coach, a positive psychology master coach and an NLP practitioner, and I have 12 years of corporate professional experience. So in my tenure of these 12 years, I have seen a lot of youth, a lot of people, a lot of students struggling for getting a job. The only reason why they are not getting the dream job is just because they do not have the required sufficient skills. Now, in this video, I am going to share with you 4 powerful steps. Once you start applying this, I can definitely guarantee you that you will get your dream job. So now, if you are prepared to I want you to take these points which are very, very important, and this is just a simple 4-step formula which can help you to get your dream job. Step number 1, identify that one skill in which you are good at and start mastering that skill. It can be any skill. Say for example, if you are good in software programming, if you are good in hardware, so master that skill to such an extent that you should be the only one person when you go into the market and none other should be there along with you who could be your competitor in the market. So that's the step number 1. Now, step number 2, start practicing the communication skills. So the biggest challenge which I have seen in many of the people when they come for the job, for the interview, is they are not good at communication skills. And if anyone is not able to put forward, or if anyone is not able to express their views, then that's the point where the employer will not be interested to consider these people for getting into the job. So the step number 2 is start practicing improving your communication skills. Master the communication skills to such an extent that you can express any kind of topic. You can share your views without any hesitation, with fluency, so that you can create an impact, you can create an impression. Step number 3 is start researching the companies and the different kind of profiles for which you feel that you are suitable for. Now, this is something like an homework that you have to do, which will really help you to know what is going on in the market, what's the trend, and what kind of profiles are being offered in the job for different kinds of companies. So once you start doing this research work, now what will happen is you will get an overview of what kind of different profiles are coming into the market and how you can immediately start working on improving your skills. Now once you learn this, then you can start focusing on the areas of improvement or the skills which you do not have. Now, step number 4. Once you decide that you want to go for a particular profile, check if you have got all the sufficient required skills in you where you can go and crack the interview. Now, for this you need to do again homework. You have to start enlisting all the skills which you need for that particular profile or the dream job that you are really willing to go for. So once you start making all the skills, then start checking in you if you have all the skills already equipped in you, or you need to learn more and more. So once you do this homework, that's the time you realize that if something is missing in you, then you start focusing on the remaining skills which are not there in you, and then you start practicing it, you start mastering it. Now, once you start mastering this 4-step formula, then what will happen is you become a person with all the skills in you, and when you go out for a job in an interview, you are the person who will be getting selected for the job. So please follow these 4 steps and make yourself closer to your dream job. Thank you for watching the video.